Hey guys, Megan here with a really quick tip. I'm working in the grow house today. Hello, grow house. It's a beautiful day today. Soon we'll be working on the pool, so I got to get the grow house and the chicken coop stuff down. Today I am working in the grow house, but I will be putting up a swing set for the grandbabies to keep them busy whilst we work in the grow house. But big tip, big tip. Check this out. These bins, I think they're 17-gallon rope totes. See them there? Yep. Home Depot and Lowe's are selling them now for, what is it, like 30 bucks? I got them at Ollie's, $7.99. Anyone who has an Ollie's, go for it. Anyone who doesn't, sorry. They don't ship. So I got those right there, those bins right there, for $7.99 a piece. Last year I paid about 20 bucks for them, and here those are. Let's see. They're good for growing sweet potatoes, putting in trees that you're not sure are going to go in the ground yet. I had actually these trees in those totes when I bought them because it was late in the season. Threw them in the tote, went through the winter, and then bought these at the dollar store. I buy a lot of my planters at the dollar store. These planters at Home Depot, they were going for, I think, $29.99 last year. And I got them at the dollar store, buy one, get one, at a price of $20 a piece last year. So, yeah, quick tip. Bye.